order. Madam Clerk, would you please call the roll?
Mr. Starr.
Here.
Mr. Peterson.
Present.
Ms. Demboski.
Present.
Ms. Gray Jackson.
Honored to be here.
Mr. Flynn.
Present.
Mr. Trainee.
Here.
Mr. Evans.
Here.
Mr. Steele.
Here.
Ms. Johnston. Here. Mr. Honeman.
Here.
Mr. Hall.
Present.
You
Yes,
have,
I'm home here.
you have a quorum.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. Mr. Steele, would you please lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance? That brings us to item 4A. Mr. Trainee.
Mr. Chairman, move to override the mayor's veto on ordinance AO 2014-74.
Second.
Okay. Is there discussion? Seeing and hearing none. We need to get those clicked in. Mr. Trainee.
It's not where I can put it in yet on my screen.
Madam
Madam
Clerk,
Clerk,
would you please
let the
find-
record show I made the motion. We're back to the screen as usual.
Okay. Ms. Gray Jackson.
And please proceed to vote. Mr. Honeman.
Yes.
Mr. Starr.
Yes.
Mr. Trainee, can you vote?
Give me a second. I can. I tell you what I did wrong. Amy, I told you I'd vote for you, ma'am.
Yes. As did Bill.
Oh, I'm sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Built all the suspense
There.
up like that. And so by a vote of 7 yeas to 4 nays, the motion to override fails. That brings us to item 4B. Mr. Trainee.
When moved to adjourn, there's no need to go to item 4B. It's predicated upon 4A being available.
Okay. Is there anybody else who wishes to make a motion? Madam, Ms. Demboski?
Thank you. On a mayoral override, is it possible to do a motion for reconsideration?
No.
Or no?
No.
I've never seen it,
It's
so
dead.
I'm just asking.
No, ma'am. There is no motion for reconsideration on an override.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Move to adjourn, Mr. Chairman.
Motion, no second on that.
We have no motion and no second. We do have a motion and a second?
I have now a motion and a second.
Okay. The motion is to override the veto of...
No, that was a motion to adjourn.
Do us to adjourn. Oh.
You are eager. You want to try that first one over again?
All right. So is there discussion? Seeing and hearing none, we are adjourned.